Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have a review and packing video on a Dagne Dover tote. This bag here is called the Allyn. All right, before I jump right in and share this bag with you guys, I want to let you know that this review is in collaboration with my friend Nicole, who is Hello Happy here on YouTube, over on Instagram and TikTok and all the things. I will put her links below so that you guys can go over and check out her video after you get done watching this. She is also reviewing this same Allyn tote, but she has a different size than I have. So it's a really good comparison for those of you that are in between sizes and you're not sure which one you want to go with, because this bag here is a pretty big investment in my opinion from Dagne Dover. It is one of their full grain leather bags, and there's 3 different sizes. So there's a small Allyn, a medium Allyn, which Nicole has, and then the large, which is the one that I have here. Now this color, I'm not sure if you can really see it. I have the camera up kind of high because all the magic of this bag is on the inside. There's no real exterior pocket, so there's not much for me to go through as far as the outside. But the light coming in here is kind of bright. It's really good natural light right now, but I don't know if it's going to capture the true color of this bag. This is the gorgeous sage color, and I'm not even sure if they still have this color in this particular tote, because this was a last season color. I've had this for a couple of months now. But I'll definitely have the link below so that you guys can check out all the different colors that they have. This color is really pretty in my opinion. I like it a lot. There's a couple of good classic colors from Dagne Dover that I think look really good on this bag. They have a really pretty one for summer now. You guys have to go down and like check all the different colors. But let me go ahead and get right into the bag, because it is going to be kind of a little bit of a lengthy review today, because I'm not showing you one way, I'm showing you 2 ways to pack up this bag. So right now I have it packed up as a kind of work bag, or a bag just for me, a bag packed up with all of like my computer and all of my planners and all of that kind of stuff. If I was, you know, going like somewhere to work, like at my husband's office or somewhere like that. I primarily work out of the house, but I do from time to time will go places and need to have all the things. So this is what I have it packed up for now. Then I'm going to go ahead and repack it for a outing for me and my kids. So I have 3 kids, and this is a great bag. I know a lot of you were looking to possibly use this as a diaper bag option, which would be amazing. So I want to go ahead and show you kind of 2 different ways that you can pack it up. So let's go ahead and get into the first way. Like I had just mentioned, there's no pockets or anything on the outside. This is just a big bucket leather tote. I love it. The material is really, really soft. On the back of the bag here, I'm not even going to flip it around. I'm just going to show you real quick by putting it down. You have one like slit pocket, and this is perfect for your cell phone. So I have an iPhone 11 Pro, and that fits down in there no problem. There's even room at the top and on the side. So I imagine all the cell phone sizes would fit good in there. And then on the side of the bags, you don't have any pockets or anything like that. There's a couple of different ways that you can kind of make this bag look, if you will. There's these really cool snaps here in the middle of the bag. I tend to always carry the bag with them closed because I really like the look here on the side of the bag of the bag when it's like snapped shut. It just kind of gives a different silhouette of the bag, if you will. But you can kind of play with it and see how you like it as far as carrying it. There's only one way to really carry this bag, and that is tote style. The straps are a little bit thinner. There's no padding or anything. The bag overall is really light in my opinion for a leather bag, but keep in mind I have the large size, and if I pack everything in it, especially the way I have it packed right now, it's heavy. Like, I'm not going to sugarcoat it and lie to you guys and be like, this is the lightest bag in the world. No, it's going to be one of your heavier bags, but I don't feel like this is going to be a bag that you're going to choose to carry for a really long period of time. Like I would gravitate towards like a backpack if I'm going to a theme park. So it's all in like what you want really, but it is light when it's unpacked as far as a leather bag in comparison to other leather bags that I have. But with all this stuff packed in it, it's quite heavy, obviously, with all your books. So let's get into the packing part. Like I said, you have snaps here. You can make it a little bit bigger if you wanted to, so that it doesn't come in on the sides. You can just kind of have it open however you want to do it. I'm just going to tuck these down so that we can really see the inside of the bag. The bag tends to kind of naturally fold in like that just because that's how it is. I tend to just like leave it open, obviously. You can snap it. Well, not snap it. These are really strong magnetic like closure here at the top. I can't really do that with everything packed inside of it like I do now. When I pack it up for the kids, like maybe depending on what I put in there, I can like close it shut. But back here in the back, you have a sewn in laptop sleeve, which I think is awesome. I never zip it closed, I just leave it open. I have a MacBook 13-inch. I should have brought my other laptop up here that's larger to show you guys if that would fit or not, because to be honest, I haven't even tried it in here, but I would think that it would, because I do feel like if you scoot this over, oh yeah, it would for sure fit. Look how much more room is over here on the side if you move the laptop all the way over. So I really feel like your bigger laptops, you're gonna have no problem packing it in here. But again, I haven't tried it, but this is my MacBook here, and that's all I have back there in that sleeve. It is sewn into the bag, so you can't detach it or anything like that. Right in front of it, sewn onto the same piece, you have like a little pocket that's leather trimmed here with the same color of the bag. I just have a notepad in there, and then I also have my GatorMom planner. This is an Erin Condren planner, and you guys know that I am a simplified planner girl, probably till the day I die, but this one has a really good setup for my kind of planning as far as GatorMom stuff goes. So that's why I have this one. I only use it for that. It is just a monthly kind of calendar up here in the front, and then in the back, it's all the note pages. So let me know if this is something that you guys want to see a review of. I know I always do like the current planners I'm in, and this is kind of more of like a GatorMom planner, like my work planner, but let me know. Anyways, this is an Erin Condren. It's the large size, and I just have it stuck down in there. Then here on the front of the pocket, you just have kind of an open cavity. You have two more kind of pockets, if you will. Over here on the side, you have a pocket that's like built in to the bag over there. And then over here, you have a detachable water bottle sleeve. And I obviously just have my big fat Ella water bottle in here. This is a this is a big one, 22 ounces. So all of your big bottles are gonna fit no problem inside there. And then if you didn't want to use that spot there for a water bottle, it does detach with one snap. So you can just remove it all together from your bag if you didn't want it, or if you didn't really need it, because for that type of like a stainless steel water bottle, you probably wouldn't even need a sleeve. So that's an option there. Then over here next to, I just have two big pieces here in the inside of the bag. I'll show you what's in those, and then I'll turn the bag around to show you the other side. These are Lily Jade packing cases, and I love them, especially for planner stuff. I have my simplified weekly planner in here. Oh, it's got really dark in here all of a sudden. It's like middle of the day, just got super dark. But anyways, this is my weekly simplified planner, and then inside here I have notepads, I have my stickers, I have pens, I have all the things. So I love to use this as a planner pouch, and I love that it's clear here on the front. This is the large size. When you get Lily Jade packing cases, you get a large size, you also get a medium size, and then you also get a small size, which is what I am using here for all of like my small essentials, if you will. I have lip products, I have my medicine in here, I have a scrunchie, I have some vitamins, hand cream, all of that kind of stuff is just tucked down in here so that I can grab it out and be able to grab whatever it is that I need. So I have that tucked in there. Then I also just have my eyeglasses tucked down here. And then over here on the side of the bag in that pocket that I was just telling you guys about, tucked in right there, I have my Limea little pod that came with my Charlie bag. This is a bag that I have not shared on my channel, and I'm super excited to bring it to you guys ASAP because it's gorgeous. My friend Amber is actually the creator of this bag, and this is a small little accessory that came with it. So I love it. Inside here, I just have my big old laptop cord. I tend to put these in like little pouches of some sort, because if not, the cord is gonna get all tangled up in my bag, and I think this little pod is absolutely perfect for that. So that's what I have in there, and then just right next to it in the same pocket, I just have my big MacBook like charger block. So turning the bag around, I wanna show you the pockets that's inside here. Let me actually zoom the camera in just a little bit more. There's some really great organization inside this big tote. So besides like the laptop sleeve and everything over there, you have the big open cavity, and then you have the pockets and zipper over here on the side. You have two little loops that are in the bag here. You have one here, and then you also have one over there. On this loop right here, I have a packed party keychain. And the reason I have this in here is because it also doubles as a phone charger. So I can actually attach that if I need to charge my phone anywhere, and it looks super cute. I usually use this on like as a fob on the outside of my bags, but I like that that's just an additional phone charger there. And then over on the other side of the bag here, I just have my car keys, and I have them attached with I can grab it here, a Shop O Venture key ring, and my car keys there. Since I just have to have like the fob to start the car, I don't need to worry about getting it in and out of the bag. It can just hang out over there whenever I need it. So that's what I have there. Then you have one big pocket here, two little like lipstick or pen pockets, and then you have another little pocket here. So it's great for just small things that you need to grab really quickly. In this pocket, I have my wallet that's also by Dagne Dover. I love this wallet. I haven't really shared an in-depth review. Let me know if you guys want to see Dagne Dover like wallet reviews, but basically it's like a big open card case, and then you have a place for change and cash there. So I have my wallet in there. And then right in front of it, I have a pen, and then I also have a skinny lip oil down in there. So just two things that I would grab for quickly. Over here in that side pocket, I just have a pack of tissues and gum. Your cell phone would fit probably perfectly down inside that pocket as well. That's a really good pocket for those types of things. I'll show you really quickly how mine fits in there for those of you that are curious. Just kind of gets tucked down in there, and that would be a good spot for it if you're looking for a little bit more of a secure spot for your cell phone. Then the last pocket on the inside of this bag is this big zipper pocket back here in the back. And in here, I just have the little key leash, if you will, that came with the bag. I don't really have a use for it, so I just tucked it in the pocket, but that can attach right there to the side if you wanted it to. Then I have the tag that came with the bag, just because I have it tucked in there. Wet ones, because I always have those with me. And then two little snacks for on the go, like little RX bars. So that's what I have in there for just me running around by myself type work bag. I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up for the kids and show you guys how it looks that way. I'm pretty obsessed with the way this bag packs as a mom bag or a diaper bag. You can pack all of the things in here. Like seriously, any type of pouch, almost any type of cooler bag that you have would easily fit down in here. If you are a mom of like multiple kids, you can fit all the water bottles, all the toys, blankets. I mean, you name it, you could definitely pack it up in here. So I have 3 kids. Those of you that might be new to my channel, I have a kindergarten and 3rd grader and 5th grader. So I don't have little itty bitties anymore, but I still have to carry a ton of stuff when I'm out with all 3 of them. And I'm a classic overpacker, so there's that. So basically packed up in here, I have a couple of big pouches that I would have to grab out for if somebody needs a snack or somebody needs a toy. And then I really utilized all the other pockets that are on the inside of the bag, and it packs up really well. So back here in the laptop sleeve, I just have a couple of activities for them, because that is like the main thing that we need with the age that my kids are. So I have a highlights magazine. These are great, by the way. You should totally subscribe to highlights if you don't already. Some coloring books. I have a couple of just regular reading books for my youngest, and then some more coloring books. So all the activities, if we're going out to eat or we just need some fast entertainment. So that's all I have inside there. I could have easily fit more in that back pocket. In the little slit here in the front, in front of the little zipper part here, I just have the same pouch that I actually just showed you guys, the large Lily Jade packing case. I have my planner and all of this in here. This goes with me everywhere, no matter what, just because I'm totally like always referring back to it. So I have that down in there. Then in the big part of the bag, I just have my water bottle tucked inside the little water bottle sleeve that comes in the bag. I do have that snapped down in there. It's hard to tell because it looks a little black from the way that the camera angle is. Then I have 2 Jujubee Be Dappers, and I've actually shown this particular accessory in a lot of my packing videos lately because it just works, and I tend to always grab for them for whatever reason. They're just nice and big, and they seem to fit in a ton of different things. So again, this is the Jujubee Be Dapper. You have a handle over here on the side, and then you have a pocket here in the front. So this one here is packed all full of snacks. So I just have some fruit strips up there, and then when you open up the bag or the pouch, it's just a huge open sea of snacks. I mean, there's so many in here. I must have 10 granola bars at least, and fruit snacks. I have some Go Squeezes down in there. Basically any snack would fit really good down in there. So that's what I have in there, which is great because I can just pull it out if somebody is hungry and needs a snack. I can throw it back to them in the car. Then this Be Dapper over here, the same exact type pouch, only I have it packed full of activities. So again, somebody wants something to do, I can just throw the pouch at them. In here, I have things like crayons that are inside this little thing here. Let's see if I can do it without everything falling out. I just have crayons tucked down in there to go with all the coloring books I just showed you guys. And then I also have some plus cubes in there. I have my Rory's Story cubes, which are really fun if we're out to eat or whatever, need something to entertain us. And then all the cars, the trains, the little men. This is mainly all for my kindergartner. And then back here, I just have a couple little notepads if somebody wants to draw or something like that. So it's pretty much whatever they're currently playing with. I can just grab this, throw a bunch of stuff in. Tons more will fit in there, so I can just pack it however I need to that day. Then over here in this pocket, kind of hanging out on the side, again, it's kind of hard to see because it's like dark, but in this one over here, I have my small Kipling pouch, and this is my mini med kit on the go. I always have this little thing packed up and I just throw it in whenever I need it. It has things like Band-Aids and eyeglass cleaner for my daughter. I have a chapstick, Neosporin, eye drops, travel scissors, basically all the things that you would need if somebody falls and has a scrape or whatever. So mini med kit on the go for whoever needs something. Then that is pretty much everything in the big part of the bag. Flipping it around to show you really briefly how I have all the little pockets and things inside. I have the same things attached at the top, my little packed party phone charger, my Shoppo Venture keyring, and my car keys. So same things as before, kind of on these two little loops. And then inside this pocket, I just have wet ones because kids, and I need those more accessible than that back zipper pocket. I also have a hand cream, hand sanitizer, and hair tie. Again, just things that I grab for more frequently tucked inside that pocket. Then I have my pen and my lip oil, again, same as before. And then over here, I just have gum and tissues inside those little pockets. I don't think I packed, oh yes, I did, forget. I packed my wallet back here in this zipper pocket. So you can easily kind of tuck this anywhere inside the bag, but I thought with kids kind of being in and out of here, I would put my wallet a little bit more secure back there in the zipper pocket. So that is how I have it packed up for a day out with all of my kids. I will give you guys one more look inside the bag here, empty, since I didn't really do that earlier. For those of you that want to see a shot of it empty, this is what you get. It's a great bag. Again, this is the large size. And let me know if you guys have any questions or comments. I would be happy to help. I'll see you on my next video.